The sky is home to creatures that amaze scientists and birdwatchers alike. Some birds have feathers that shimmer like jewels, while others survive in the most extreme environments. Today, we'll meet some of nature's most extraordinary birds. Welcome to Flora. The Luzon Bleeding Heart is a rare case in which appearance becomes the main signal. The bright red patch on its chest looks like a wound, but do not be alarmed too quickly. In reality, it is part of the plumage, playing a role in communication and camouflage. The bird lives a secretive life in the forests of the Philippines, preferring to stay on the ground where it searches for seeds and insects. It is cautious, quick to react to danger, and more likely to run than fly. Its voice is quiet, almost unnoticeable, which helps it avoid drawing attention. The main problem it faces is habitat loss, which makes the species increasingly vulnerable. This is a bird that does not fight for attention, it survives by means of caution and precision. And that is exactly what makes its existence so fragile. If a parrot suddenly decided to live like an owl and forgot how to fly almost entirely, you'd get the Kakapo.